So crazy cluttered my house is, mostly with model airplanes and very few horizontal surfaces that are clear, including my kitchen table and every other room. Now I have a table right next to my computer where I sit most of my time, and it was pretty crowded, but I cleared off this end of it and I decided to do a little Christmas decorating. I have a tiny Christmas tree to put up there and my little tiny Christmas train. Right now it's just a locomotive going around. The cars are laying there. I bought this almost a year ago and haven't had it out of the box yet till today. Alright, I fooled around with it a little bit and turned the direction around, and found that if I use cars from a different train set that I bought, also Bachmann, in between the Christmas cars on the Christmas train, they seem to stay linked up. Oh, we'll see how it works out. Merry Christmas, everybody. I'll take a little more film after I get the tree up. Probably be tomorrow.